Hello, carpet cleaning professionals! CTI and Pro's Choice is excited to announce the launch of a new performance-based end-cap product group. These products, aptly named Smartcap, give cleaners a better answer for heavy soil, odor, and stain removal when hot water extraction is not an option. End cap cleaners have often been relegated to using non-encapsulating products to deal with heavy soil, stains, and odors, thereby compromising total job performance. The Smartcap group eliminates these problems for end cap low moisture cleaners. Smartcap gives you a complete toolkit for commercial and residential jobs. Start with a pre-spray. Pre-cap Pre-Spray Spotter is your resource for severe soil situations. Pre-cap Pre-Spray Spotter is an aggressive encapsulating cleaner that can be used without extraction to remove tough soil such as filtration lines, heavy traffic lanes, spills, and so on. OS1 is absolutely the answer for stain and odor removal in an end cap environment. OS1 is an all-in-one, ready-to-use, high-performance odor eliminator with built-in stain and soil removing power. OS1 integrates the power of natural oxygen release with the biological power of odor modification and encapsulation to destroy odors while cleaning agents break down and encapsulate oils and soil. Formerly known as Envirex, low foam cleaning solution maximizes the performance of bonnet cleaning. Smartcap cleaning solution is the newest advance in the evolution of high-performance, low-moisture cleaning science. Smartcap cleaning solution is significantly different from multi-purpose low-moisture cleaning chemicals in that it's designed specifically to maximize the applied physics that are functioning in bonnet cleaning environments. You will immediately notice that it is not as foamy as typical low-moisture products. This is because foam retards the rapid migration of soil from the carpet into the cleaning pad. You will also notice that, especially when catalyzed, this product will remove soil that multiple cleaning by any other method could not begin to remove. Moderate foam brush and bonnet cleaning solution maximizes the performance of brush application cleaning. The controlled foam of brush and bonnet carries away and holds the soil in a crystallized form. Peroxy Plus rounds out the Smartcap cleaning team. Peroxy Plus, formerly known as Ape Cleaning Catalyst, builds and accelerates the cleaning performance of cleaning solution. This combination is especially reactive with organic and petroleum-based soils. You can find the Smartcap line at your local distributors or at www.proschoicesupply.com. For a limited time, free sample packs are available with regular freight costs. For questions, please call our customer service line 1-800-368-1247. And be sure to follow us on Facebook and sign up for our emails as we have specials and news at proschoicesupply.com. Thanks for choosing Pro's Choice products for your cleaning needs. We're proud to be the trusted experts to bring you the best products for your business.